Hello, today is March 5, 2016. There was a MEJT target of 1985.01 for March 3rd. We came close, but it did not print. We have some new MEJT targets from Friday's pattern. I'd like to point out that about once, perhaps twice a year, we get a cluster of targets which fail to print in their preferred time frame. I've seen it go up to 10 a number of times. Typically, it's when the market's making a strong impulsive move, but in the past, the targets have always printed. They just don't print when you'd like them to. Here's the chart from Friday's trade. There was an ultimate sell signal here. It hasn't been satisfied. MEJT says the rally is false. That hasn't been satisfied, and that's where the targets come from. It did say this rally was false, and that was satisfied. We hit this price after this time. There's the white dot, and that price proved to be resistance later in the day. Well, whenever you're in a strong impulsive move with a cluster of failed targets, you have to take these lower prices with a grain of salt. In general, when you start out low and you rally all day, it's positive unless you can't clear any of these highs. We didn't clear the highs. We just got up to this low. It's a negative pattern unless we go over this high at the open or soon after the open. As far as the longer term chart's concerned, breadth continues to improve. As the breadth improves, I don't think it's a good time to look for a substantial correction to begin. So we have lower targets for Monday. We have an increased risk they won't work, but if they're going to work, I would expect us not to overtake this high promptly. If we do overtake the high promptly, these might fail too. The longer, the intermediate prediction is that we're in a strong impulsive move that will eventually correct, and the long-term prediction remains the same, that the market's probably topped out, and that when this rally is through, it's going to be a steep correction. Based on some DeMark counts, I think it could happen within a week or two, as far as the top is concerned. And that's today's call.